Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to use your iPhone as an RFID card in 2025. If you're tired of carrying around physical cards for access, payments, or even event entry, this update-packed feature is about to change your life. By 2025, Apple has supercharged iPhone capabilities with advanced NFC technology, letting your device emulate RFID cards seamlessly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, probably iOS 19 or later, and that you have an iPhone 15 or newer model with enhanced NFC support. This is key because older devices might not handle the emulation properly. Start by opening the Wallet app on your home screen. It's the same app you use for Apple Pay, but now it's got some new tricks up its sleeve. Next, tap on the plus icon to add a new item. Select RFID card from the options. That's the new addition in 2025. You'll need to scan your physical RFID card or enter its details manually. Once added, customize it with a name and any specific settings, like restricting it to certain locations for security. Now, for the fun part. To use it, just hold your iPhone near the RFID reader. Your phone will automatically detect and emulate the card signal. It's that simple. But wait, there are a few tips to make this even smoother. Always keep your iPhone updated for the latest security patches, as RFID emulation involves sensitive data. If you run into issues, like the reader not detecting your phone, double-check that NFC is enabled in Settings, Control Center. And remember, not all RFID systems are compatible yet, so test it out first. In conclusion, turning your iPhone into an RFID card is a futuristic step towards a card-free world. It's convenient, secure, and eco-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.